inclusive culture. So my project is about managing a successful event and share with you the results. And once someone asked me, "What do you do for a living?" I said, "I teach." "What do you teach?" I said, "Inclusive education." "Inclusive education? Ah, do you teach disabled students?" I said, "Not only." So, what is inclusivity for you? What is being included? What is inclusivity, diversity for you? So, anyone? Okay. When we hear the word inclusivity or diversity, most of the people think about disabled people. But it's not only about disabled people. Me and you. If everyone is included in one society, it is inclusivity, but not only about disabled people. It can be short people or tall people. It can be Christian, or it can be Muslim. It can be Jewish people, or also everyone. So also, I organized an event which is called Inclusion Talk for more than 100 people. It was, of course, at SDU University where I work. And as you can see, there are lots of speakers and there are lots of students. The aim of this event, was to raise awareness, to introduce what is inclusivity to the audience. Also encouraging open dialogue and inspiring others. Also enhancing collaboration and promote accessibility. So now let me share about the stages of this event. First, we had meeting with other colleagues and the other participants. Then we planned everything detailedly. I took the role of the host. I hosted in Kazakh, and my colleague spoke and introduced the speakers and engaged the audience in Russian. Also, next step was scheduling the event and writing the script of the event. So I was responsible for Kazakh part, and then my colleague, who is Kamila Rulan, was responsible for Russian. The next, marketing part. We prepared this kind of brochures, very nice, using the artificial intelligence, also advanced Photoshop tools. And also we used LED TV at our university, also all the types of the social media, including WhatsApp, Telegram chats, also Instagram, Facebook, everything to promote our event, to have more students and more people. The next was info box. We put also info board. We put our information about the date, about the event there. Now let me introduce you the speakers. So the first one was Aygerim Izbasova. She shared her story. She is the mother of disabled children. Also, she created her non-profit organization, Mama Pro. Also, she shared one statistics, which is awful. Imagine, in Kazakhstan, there are lots of disabled children, but majority of them don't have their fathers, because 90% of fathers mostly leave their family when they have disabled children. So this organization helps to mothers mentally, and how to mentally support them. The next speakers was our first disabled students with visual disabilities. Now, please raise your hands if you studied at university or you are studying. Okay, majority of you raised your hands, but imagine only 1% of students with disability or children with disability can study at universities. Only 1% of them. Others cannot, because universities doesn't allow them to enter. Now, our university, we want to accept students also, students with disabilities also. Now there are two students, Sayat and Tamerlan. They have visual impairments. They shared their own story. The next marvelous speaker is Maulin. Have you ever heard about the cafe which is called Kunde? Please raise your hand. Yes, he is not a just entrepreneur, he is a social entrepreneur that is helping to find jobs to people with disabilities. The uniqueness of this organization or cafe, they recruit people with disabilities mostly. And also I invite you to go to this cafe and to help people to get their jobs. The next was my favorite speaker, Ayman. All of us girls love about fashion, about beauty. And for example, maybe I think in our childhood, everyone dreamed about being a model or princess, beautiful. And she is also. But what if we are not